Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Today I am thrilled to have you here because we are diving into something really exciting and creative, intricate Indian block cross stitch. Whether you are brand new to this or have been stitching for a while, you have been stitching for a while, don't worry. Intricate Indian block cross stitch is easy to learn and a great way to make beautiful design using just a needle and some thread. Today we are going to explore the latest and the most beautiful intricate Indian cross stitch patterns that are currently trending. These designs are super cool and popular in the stitching community, and the best part, whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will be find something here that perfect for your next project. Before we dive into these patterns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumb up. So if you are love to intricate Indian block cross stitching as much as I do, subscribing helps the channel grow and you won't miss out on any future tutorial and tips. So let's get started. The first pattern we are looking at today is a true classic. It is a design that never goes out of style and is currently trending. Because it is so versatile, this pattern is perfect for beginners because it is a straightforward but still elegant and detailed enough to make a statement. The color in this pattern is the bright and cheerful, making it ideal for a spring or summer project. You can even frame it and hang it up in your home for a pop of joyful colors. One of the things I love most about this design is that you can really make it your own by changing up the color. If you want something more subtle, choose softer shades, or if you are feeling adventurous, opt for vibrant hues. It's all up to you. I also love how this pattern encourages creativity. You can easily add personal touch by tweaking the design or incorporating different stitches. The more you experiment, the more you will be enjoy the intricate Indian block cross stitching. Be sure to share your finished project with me. I will be love to see what you come up with. Next we have a simple yet delightful pattern. This one is perfect if you are short on time but still want to create something beautiful. It is quiet to finish, so you will get that sense of accomplishment without committing to a long-term project. This design is great for beginners too. It is a straightforward. The final result is charming and versatile. You can use this pattern to add a personal touches to any space, whether you stitch it for yourself or give it to a friend. It is sure to be appreciated. The best part, it doesn't take much time. You will learn a few basic stitches for this. This design is a fun break for more intricate project. If you love bold and bright colors, you are going to love this next pattern. It is all about vibrant energy. The design features bold and cheerful colors that are sure to lift your spirits, whether you want to brighten up a room or create a lively gift for someone special. This pattern is an excellent choice. What I really appreciate about this design is its eye-catching appeal. The bold colors make it stand out, and the simple shape make it easy to stitch. Even if you are a beginner, you will complete this project with a sense of pride. If you prefer a more subdued look, you can always adjust the colors to suit your style. Opt for pastels or more muted tones if you wish. The flexibility of these designs allow you to adopt it however you like this, and that's one of the reason it is so popular right now. This next pattern is tailored for beginners. It is designed to be simple enough for someone just starting out, but it still look stunning when completed. The clean lines and straightforward stitches make it an excellent introduction to intricate Indian block cross stitching. One of the best aspects of this pattern is that it is so approachable. If you've been feeling nervous about starting your first project, this design will help ease those concerned. It is easy to follow, and the end result is a beautiful piece that you will be proud to display or give to someone special. And if you are more experienced, don't worry, sometimes it is nice to work on something simple and relaxing, and this pattern is perfect for that. For those who love nature, this pattern is perfect. It features beautiful leaves and flowers, making it a wonderful project for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Whether you want to add a personal touch to nature to your home decor. Create something for nature loving friend. This design is a great choice. The detail in this pattern provide a lovely organic feel, and you can get creative with the colors. Go for a elastic green and brown for natural appearance, or mix it up with bright and unexpected colors for a playful twist. Either way, this design is sure to impress. I can already picture how stunning this project would look framed and displayed in a living room or entryway. If you are looking for something beautiful and calming to stitches, this design is perfect for you, and you want to must try this design. Geometric patterns are trending right now, and the next pattern is all about clean lines and bold shape. It is contemporary take on traditional intricate Indian block cross stitching with a sleek and modern feel. If you love minimalist or modern decor, this pattern is a perfect match. The bold geometric shapes make a statement. The design looks stunning whether you choose a monochromatic color scheme or something more vibrant. It is a great way to experiment with shapes and color, and the end result is something truly unique. Geometric patterns are quite satisfying to stitch because they are so structured. There's something calming about working on clean lines and repeating shapes. So if you are looking for a stylish yet relaxing project, this one for you. This next pattern is absolutely adorable. It features a cute animal like cat or puppy, making it perfect for anyone who loves animals or want to create fun project for kids. These designs are always a hit whether you are stitching them for yourself as a gift or for a child. So the best part, they are beginner friendly, so even if you are new to intricate Indian block cross stitch, you can complete this project with ease. If you enjoy patterns that are a bit unconventional, this one's for you. It's a whimsical creative design filled with fun details that make it stand out. This pattern is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with their stitching and wants to try something different. The playfulness of these designs make it a joyful to work on, and it is ideal if you are looking for a project. It is straightforward design. It is ideal also if you are looking for a project. It is light-hearted whether you opt for bright bold colors or softer tone. This pattern is sure to bring a smile to your face. If you enjoy that are a bit unconventional, this one's for its whimsical creative design filled with fun details that make it stand out. This pattern is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment their stitching and want to try something different. Sometime less is more, and the next pattern exemplifies that. It's a minimalist design with a sleek and sophisticated feel. If you love clean and simple line, you can understand beauty, and this is the perfect project for you. This pattern is great for adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's a simple enough for beginner but still look polished and refined, and because the design is so subtle, it will blend seamlessly into any decor style. This pattern is perfect for celebrating different seasons throughout the year, whether it's a design for spring, fall, or the holiday. You can adjust the color to fit the season or your home decor. Seasonal pattern always enjoyable to work on. This one is no exception. If you love decorating for the holidays or changing things up with the season, this is great project for you. Plus, it is an easy way to update your home with a handmade touch. Step into the world of fantasy, and it is looking very beautiful. Fantasy theme pattern always popular and perfect for anyone who love a bit of whimsy in their decor. These designs are fun to stitch because they allow you to use your imaginations and experiments with colors and details. If you are a fan of fantasy, this is must try. For those who appreciate modern art, this abstract pattern is perfect for you. It is bold, creative, and full of unique shape and color. Abstract pattern and designs are great because they allow you to really get creative and experiment with different ideas. This pattern is ideal for anyone who love arts and want to create something truly one of a kind. The bold shape and striking color combination make it a real showstopper, and it's a great way to add a bit of modern flair to your intricate Indian block cross stitching. The pattern with a vintage twist, and it features beautiful retro inspired floral motifs that bring a touch of nostalgia to your creature. This is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. See you soon in the next video.